Hello everyone, welcome to our booth. This is Antonio from Shenzhen Getron Company Limited. Our booth number is 8C455. I want to introduce this product for you. This is the Pitch 5. The size is about 2 meters by 1 meter. This kind of products, we give our clients 5 years warranty because of our quality is very good, and also use the aluminum shear LED modules for it. So you see that heat dissipation is much better, and to keep the LED have a longer lifetime. Also, you see our products is with IP68 level for waterproof. So it means that it is weatherproof. You can use some very hard in weather condition for outdoor. Okay, so if you have the interest, come to visit us or visit our website. Thank you.